So, hello everyone. Today we have a job update from Lumel and it is a product developer trainee role. So, the job location will be Chennai and let's know who can apply for this role. So, a 2025 computer science graduate who is willing to pursue a career in product development can apply for this role. And now let's look into the strong programming skills that is a must for this role. So, you need to know about building products using the UI frameworks and also a core skill set such like JavaScript or React.js or Python, Node.js or MongoDB. And you should develop a hosted and cloud-based BA products using the cutting-edge languages such as Node, Python, and Java. And also re-engineer existing hosted products for cloud such as AWS and also other frameworks like Angular or Vue, virtualization libraries, and etc. will be good to know. So these are the things that is actually needed for you to apply for this role. So you can actually add all these things in your resume, such like UI frameworks, JavaScript, React.js, Python, Node.js, MongoDB, and then such like another thing like repetitive one, Python, Java, and Node. And then also you need to know about the cloud service provider such as AWS and also the Angular or Vue virtualization libraries, and these things will actually increase your score of getting hired in this company. So we have seen what are the things that is required here. Now let's see how to apply for this role. So basically you will fill this form where you will attach your resume and answer the questions that are listed, and those questions will let them know about you better, and they actually encourage you to respond that based on your personality and life experiences. Then also they are telling that there is no right or wrong answers for these questions. You can actually answer as per your ability. So now let's see the application form first. You will click on the apply and you can see the application form here where you will upload your resume. You will put your first name and last name, email, mobile number. For this role you don't require experience, so you can skip that part, and you can enter your current location. You can actually add your skills, that will be added plus, right? Then you can add your educational details, and they are asking about are you passing out in 2025. They are only hiring someone from 2025, so you need to give yes. Then they are asking for your GitHub or lead code profile. You have to enter that one. Also they are asking for what kind of career opportunity you're looking for yourself, and also they are asking who inspire you the most and why, and also what you understand about Lumel, and anything that you wish to share with them, and also do you know someone working in Lumel, and also how you got to know about this opportunity. So for the last two questions, if you know someone from Lumel, you can actually connect with them in LinkedIn and ask them for a referral for this role. And if you know them, you can actually add their name there. And also they are asking how did you get to know about this opportunity. If you are getting referral, you can add it as referral, and if you are not getting a referral, you can actually add it as career website. So then you will just click on that check box where you will be accepting the terms and conditions and apply for this role. So then now let's go and continue with the rest of the things. And they have explained what will happen after you submit your application. Like the team will go through your application and will get in touch with the shortlisted applicants for the pre-assessment calls. And you will be taking up on the assessment, and then you will participate in the series of interviews and like general and technical. And in this process they will assess you if you are a good fit into their culture, and if you have a right attitude, and that's what more important. And you can actually be trained, but you need to have a good attitude to get selected for this role. And also they are telling that you will be getting in touch during the entire process where they will share the regular update with you. You will be getting to know about the results in a week after your final interview. I have explained everything from this job update. I think this will be very useful for you. Try to apply as soon as possible. Try to add all the keywords in your resume. And also, if you found this video helpful, you need to subscribe, like, and share it to your friends. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.